Welcome to the channel. This is Nissan Qashqai 2018. We'll see what happened inside. I'm going to start the car. You can see dashboard. It's look like a Christmas tree. Traction control light on, warning light on, tire pressure light on, ABS light on. Yeah, see, system faulty warning. Stop start system faulty. Lot of light on the dashboard. However, like this problem, we can't assuming and work. We need a site support from the computer. I'm going to plug in my computer and show you what's going on this car and what's the reason for this all warning lights. I got the scan report. First of all, I'm going to check under tire pressure. Wait, still it's scanning. Right, it's complete. Right, you can see under tire pressure C 176800, rear right wheel sensor. That means something not right, rear driver side wheel. That's the first thing. Then after that there is a two faulty codes for ABS, battery voltage and rear right sensor, speed sensor, something not right. Okay, now I have some path to go. However, I'm going to check live data before I go to the tire. I'm going to select all signal, and after that I'm going to check wheel speed sensor, rear left hand sensor, and in here front right, and where's the front left? Here, right. Okay, now I have all four sensors, front two sensors and rear two sensors. Now I'm going to take a car backward and forward, have a look what happened to this figures. It's need to be changed. Right, you can see the all top three change, but however rear right hand sensor nothing changed. That means that this bottom one not any changing. Now I have a path to go. I'm going to switch off the car and going to the rear right wheel and have a look what happened to this speed sensor and surround that area. Basically this is the ABS sensor wire harness, but I can't find any problem that side. But once I come into this connector, you can see there is a, you can see here the white wire there, and inside this is, see the tiny blue color wire, it's broken. Normally we are keep it that connectors because little bit common problem for this Qashqai. Because of that we are keep it this connector. When we going to do the job, make sure connect this side and go one wire connected to the right wire inside the car, and after that go to the other wire. Basically don't going to cut both wires same time. If you mix up these two wires, you again ending with warning light. After connect, I'm going to install this string and use hot gun and stick it. Then after that, job fine. First I'm going to install this one, but when you're going to install, make sure don't going to mix up the wires. First connected to the ABS connector, then after that cut the one wire, it's already blue wire broken. Make sure which side for the blue wire, which side for the other white color wire in here, black and red. But make sure use the wires correct way. I already connect the two lines, but still not finish the job. I'm going to leave it as it is and go inside the car and start the car and have a look what's going on there now. Right, I'm going to start the car. You can see here one by one sign goes out. Even I didn't use my computer to reset anything. All funny light disappeared, and this side you can see the collision sign on, traction control, stop start light. Now I know the line work fine because that triangle sign, I'm already opened the door. You can see here, that's why the triangle sign. A part of that everything, I'm happy. I'm going to finish back wire connection, seal up nicely. Then after that, I'm going to take to the road test. Right, I nicely done the wiring and tidy up a little bit. That side all fine. Right, all going well. Next step, I'm going to the road test. Right, you know how to diagnostic like this problem. Done the repair, early car say. Now definitely car say, yeah. Go Charlie, go. Right, I'm happy for the job. However, now I don't want my diagnostic tool anymore. I'm going to start the car. No light, no need my diagnostic tool anymore. Exit from this menu. Right, right. Now you can see nice, and I'm going to close the door. You can see now nice and clear dashboard. I'm happy the job. However, I'm going to the road test and make sure everything 100% perfect before I hand over to customer. That's why sometimes customers like me, I'm going more extra miles for make sure everything all right. Then after that, they won't come back for the same problem. Because if they come back for the same problem after 10 miles, 15 miles, oh Charlie, look, this thing not good. I'm wasting their time, to be honest. I'm taking money what I done, but I want to make sure everything good as should be. Because if they come back again, that's mean not good for me. Even I'm little bit guilty because I'm charging from them. I'm feeling I'm not done good job. However, because of that, I'm going to take to the road test, make sure everything okay. After that, I'm going to call to the customer and say, your car ready? Come and take your car. Right, let's go for a road test. Yeah, my road test fine. All went nice and smooth. You can see no any funny warning light. Now I'm happy for the road test. Then I'm going to call to customer and say, car ready to pick up. Thanks for watching. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. You need a reasonable computer. Then after that, you have to go step by step. You know how to check the live data. I think you learn a lot. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.